Unveiling the mystery in one's black books. Hello and welcome, language explorers. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that often puzzles English learners: in one's black books. If you've ever stumbled across this expression and wondered what it means, you're in the right place. Let's unravel its meaning together and discover its origins, usage, and how you can incorporate it into your conversations. So, stay tuned. In one's black books is an idiomatic expression that means to be in disfavor or out of favor with someone. When you're in someone's black books, it implies that you have upset them, done something wrong, or are not in their good graces. This phrase is often used in social and professional contexts to describe a strained relationship or a decrease in one's standing with another person or group. The origins of "in one's black books" are quite intriguing and date back to historical times. The phrase is believed to have originated from the practice of keeping records in books where negative conduct or debts were noted in black ink. Being listed in such a book meant that one was not in good standing, either financially or behaviorally. This concept has evolved over time, but the idea of being unfavorably noted has persisted in the language through this phrase. To fully grasp the usage of "in one's black books," let's look at some examples. 1. After arriving late to the meeting for the third time, John found himself in his boss's black books. 2. I'm in my sister's black books because I forgot her birthday. 3. He's been in the teacher's black books ever since he failed to submit his assignment on time. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various situations to express disapproval or dissatisfaction with someone's actions. Now that you understand what it means to be in someone's black books, you might wonder how to use this phrase effectively. Here are a few tips. Use it in informal contexts or narratives to add color to your language. It's perfect for describing situations where someone is displeased with someone else's actions. Remember, it has a negative connotation, so use it cautiously and in appropriate settings. Thank you for joining me today to explore the phrase, "in one's black books." Understanding such idiomatic expressions can enrich your English language skills and help you communicate more effectively. I hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase, and you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase you learn opens up new ways to express yourself. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.